an interesting concept using polystyrene to build a home, and in fact, it was the Bavarian Alps of all places where this construction technique was first pioneered.
The first one was built in the Bavarian Alps in 1932. So it's not a new product as far as the world's concerned. Perhaps it is in Australia, but then again, it's been around here for decades as well.
This EPS, or expanded polystyrene, isn't like any ordinary polystyrene box though, because these precision-made and engineered construction blocks are made to very high standards and within exceptionally low tolerances.
They're made within a very, very small tolerance. They're originally a German idea that was engineered in Germany in the 1930s. But in the last 30 years, we've brought it here and we've brought it and made it for Australian standards, Australian conditions.
It's with good sense these blocks are so highly engineered, because with so many tonnes of wet concrete being poured into them so quickly, containing this weight long enough until the concrete cures is essential.
So essentially we are building a concrete home, but with the benefits of having polystyrene like an esky either side to protect us from heat and sound.
Essentially, yes, it's permanent formwork, but it's an insulated permanent formwork. At the end of the day, it's only formwork for a steel reinforced cast concrete wall of 32 MPa. It's extremely strong, and it's all about compressive strength. And as long as the block, which it is, strong enough to hold the concrete until it cures, that's where your structural integrity lies.
This permanent formwork also has the major advantage of all of that trapped air. And with polystyrene being 98% trapped air, it makes for an exceptionally good insulator. The process to making this polystyrene product though, in relative terms, is remarkably simple. With sand-like plastic granules being machine blasted into fluffed up foam beads, these foam beads are next injected into aluminium moulds.
They're not much different to beanbag material, basically fluffed up polystyrene foam beads, forced into an aluminium mould, and then we push steam into that mould under great pressure. The steam melts the plastic and forces the beads together. So there's no other chemical added, it's just hot steam and plastic foam.
For more information about this series, please visit www.toppropertytv.com.au.